Welcome back to my channel where I create videos to help students of all ages in the classroom. In this video, I will show you a quick way to convert a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Check out my other videos on how to add fractions with like and unlike denominators. Please like and subscribe to this channel for more educational videos. The terms we will use in this video are fraction, numerator, denominator, mixed number, and improper fraction. Check out this video on the upper right if you are unsure of the definitions of some of the terms we will be using in this video. When you add, subtract, multiply, or divide fractions, you may have to simplify the fractions to a mixed number. You will need to understand how to convert from a mixed number to an improper fraction. A mixed number looks like this: 1 7/8. A mixed number is a number that contains both an integer, a whole number, and a proper fraction, a fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator. An improper fraction looks like this: 15/8. An improper fraction is defined as the fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. 1 7/8 is equal to 15/8. Well, now that you understand what mixed numbers and improper fractions look like, let me show you how to convert them. Okay, let's look at example number 1. We have the mixed number 3 9/13. 3 is the whole number, 9 is the numerator, and 13 is the denominator. Follow these steps for every mixed number. First, multiply the whole number by the denominator. Then, add the numerator. 3 times 13 equals 39, plus 9 equals 48. So 48 is now our numerator for the improper fraction that we are converting to. The denominator stays the same. The denominator is 13, so the new improper fraction is 48/13. How would you convert the improper fraction of 48/13 back to a mixed number? Well, you do the opposite. Instead of multiplying, we will divide. How many times does 13 go into 48? We can list our factors as 13 times 1, 13 times 2 is 26, 13 times 3 is 39, 13 times 4 is 52. So 13 goes into 48 3 times. What's the remainder after dividing 48 over 13? The remainder is 9. The whole number is 3, and the remainder is the new numerator, and the denominator stays the same, 13. So it converts back to the mixed number 3 9/13. Here are the quick, easy steps to follow when you convert mixed numbers. First, multiply the whole numbers by the denominator, then add the numerator. Put this number on top and leave the denominator the same. Let's try these examples. I want you to pause the video to try these on your own. Number 1, 2 3/15. So try that on your own. So here's how to do it. First, multiply 15 times 2, which is 30, and add 3. So you're adding the numerator, and I get 33. Leave the denominator the same. So the answer is 33/15. That's an improper fraction. Number 2, 3 1/6. Try to pause the video to figure out the answer. Well, first we're going to multiply 6 times 3 to get 18, and then add 1, which is 19. Leave the denominator the same, so the answer is 19/6. 19 on top, 6 on the bottom. Try to convert the improper fraction to a mixed number. Remember, to convert an improper fraction, we should divide. how many times does the denominator go into the numerator? Once you divide, this is the whole number. The remainder is the numerator and the denominator stays the same. So let's try with a few examples. We have 7/5. Divide to see how many times 5 goes into 7. Well, that's 1. 1 is the whole number of the mixed number. How much is left over after dividing? 2. 2 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. Remember, the denominator stays the same, so the answer is 1 2/5. All right, number 2, you can try to pause the video to figure it out yourself. Our fraction is 13/6. 13 on top, 6 on the bottom. What we will do is we're going to divide to see how many times 6 goes into 13. Well, 6 times 2 is 12, so 6 goes into 13 2 times. 2 is our whole number of the mixed number. How much is left over after dividing? 1, because 13 minus 12 is 1. 1 is the numerator and 6 is the denominator. Remember, the denominator stays the same, so the answer is 2 1/6. Keep in mind the steps to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction and an improper fraction to a mixed number. You can try to go back in the video and take notes or try to rewatch it to see that it makes sense. Please like and subscribe this video and stay tuned for more math videos. Thank you.